don't bottle things up. Talk about things. Get it out. Don't be afraid to get it out in the open. Good now. Nice and chilled. Life's good. Since I've got my caravan and got things sorted out with my ex and moving on with my life. As most divorces go, then most of the time they're not really a nice place to be, dealing with finances and children involved. Difficult. Buying the caravan and just getting out and doing things like this this is what I love, just getting out and spending time with Scarlett, just enjoying time with her. Scarlett, clip the clip up top. Lean on your friends, family, people that are close to you.